Allison here with Off Leash K9 Training 30A. I have 2-year-old Goldendoodle-Costa starting our 2-week board and train program. Costa's owners are having a little bit of issues with Costa being the complete terror of their neighborhood. He jumps after people, he runs, he chases them, he's barking constantly, he's just really not listening or holding on to any kind of command. There's no recall, he's just not really sure what to do or who to listen to, so he listens to himself. He's making very poor decisions, so in the next 2 weeks, we're going to go through all of our commands with him, make sure that we hold on to all of his distractions, especially out into a public place, really get him to mind his business and mind his manners. Check back in with us in 14 days to see Costa's amazing progress.
my name's Amy Velasquez. This is Costa. We just finished our 2-week board and train with K9 or Off Leash K9 Training 30A. Costa learned several commands. He has been absolutely happy the entire duration of the training. Allison, our trainer, sent us consistent feedback on his progress and updated us with pictures and giving us updates and letting us know how he was doing daily. I cannot say enough about how wonderful this experience has been. Allison was a tremendous help throughout the way. She made the transition of Costa being gone very just easy. She made it. We were all nervous about it, but Allison, we're so blessed that Allison was able to work with Costa, and we were able to work with her on what we can do to keep Costa a happy and safe puppy. So thank you very much.
Yay! Good boy, Costa, good boy! Good boy!